Apisa achiel mar Obila owito ngimane kama moko ariyo to oyudo hinyruok e kinde mane girakore gi Achich moro manjore e gwenge ma Papo Nditi e Nyakach okinyi ma kawuono. Kaluwore kod lipod Obilago mag Kenya Police kod jowetegi mag okwach kich ne luwo ndach Achich mitudo gi kuo mopogore opogore e kaunti ma Kisumo, Homa Bay gi Migori. Achich no ero norakore kodgi gi bunde mohinyo obila ariyo goeko kendo nego achiel. Apedha mager itimo mar manyo Achich no manoringo lal bang' rakruok makamano.
Today, very early in the morning, at around 03:00 a.m., our officers were pursuing an armed robber whom they tracked. They traced and found him having rented one of the rooms in the flat you are seeing here behind you. Upon approaching the rented room, the robber engaged officers in shootout. Shootout ensued. There was serious shootout between the robber and the officers. Then upon the shootout, the robber managed to escape. We are in hot pursuit. We will catch up with him.
Hatukumvamia vizuri. Sasa alikutana na mtu wa bodaboda akibeba watoto wawili wa shule, akasimamisha huyu mtu wa bodaboda, akamwambia yeye ni askari. Sasa venye alitoa bunduki kwa jacket, huyu mtu wa bodaboda akachukua stall for first aid na huyo mtu wa bodaboda pia. Sasa huyu jamaa alitoroka na pikipiki.
But it's very unfortunate because members or tenants of this residential residence have been submitted to a lot of psychological torture. There are a lot of children crying, some were wailing, and we didn't know what was happening. And we thank God that our security forces acted on time and they managed to salvage the situation.